Hi, I'm Jen, President and CEO of the Chiropractic Educational Network. If you're ready to grow your career and make a real impact in a chiropractic office, our 6-month, 208-hour CCPA licensure program was built for you. This hybrid program is designed to work around your life. You'll complete 8 live Zoom sessions and 5 on-site hands-on training, giving you the knowledge, the confidence, and real-world experience today's practices need. Our program prepares you to become an invaluable part of the team and elevate patient care to the next level. With a structured curriculum, expert instruction, and flexible payment options, earning your CCPA license has never been more accessible. Take the next step in your career and enroll in our hybrid CCPA licensure program with Chiropractic Educational Network today.